person sees all.
Hi everyone, Bruce here. Look what I found. Coming down from the top north side of the moon between 9:45 and 10:30. It was actually still very bright. And I got a chance. Now listen, it's hard to see, of course. Very happy to see it. Look at that. And we're going to go see it close up because when it gets closer and closer to the horizon, it seems like an object that's on fire. So listen, India's back up there. Could this have anything to do with it? Could it be a meteor? Just debris? Could it be UFO? I don't know, but it's pretty cool to see. And of course, it's not a capture I get every day. This is something that, if not going behind the moon, it's maybe crashing into the moon. It's on fire. You could see it. You could literally see the object. I'll work on this footage. Look at that. Again, there's a lot of atmospheric disturbance. This is through chemtrails on top of it. Why? I think I know why they were spraying. Probably because of this object, whatever it may be. India's up there on the moon. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot see absolutely anything in the sky. Yesterday was the first time. Look how it's oscillating. I wanted to show you guys this. Thought it was the chemtrails, but I think it's a bit of both. Of course, you can see some atmospheric disturbance, but and by the way, we'll be focusing on the south side. I'll be turning the moon around, so when you see Tycho crater, the white crater, it'll be the top side. This is the top side of the moon, but I will flip it around so we can go and play around, because this is recent. And of course, India, what do you guys know anything about it yet? I still haven't heard anything. Have they communicated with Vakran? Or, they're not talking about it at all. I'm not getting information about it. I'm going to be looking it up tonight, of course, and didn't have time today because I'm doing the video. But you're going to enjoy this video. It's a nice video, and don't worry, slowly the oscillation will fade away and we'll get some more views of the surface. Maybe inside of Merecrisium, some type of agitation for some reason. I have never noticed that, Ryle, or whatever it is, that long and high. So I don't know if you've noticed, this is Tycho. We're in the Southern Highlands. We're looking for the lander. Well, we won't see the lander. But, hey, we saw signs of something on the north side, so it's the amazing part of being able to look at the moon. You never know what you're going to get. Shout out to my brother Kenny. Kenny, thanks for watching, bro. Mr. Howard, welcome. Hey, by the way, Mr. Sublime, you like the green surfaces that look like rivers and lakes? It's coming up. I'm going to show a whole bunch just for you, brother. When you open your mind to the possibilities of what can actually be up there, you'll see the truth. You'll see it yourself. At one point, you start to understand. That's what happened to me anyways. We exist, and that's how we're similar. Each species, and each of us as human beings, we love, we hurt, we feel both emotionally and physically and mentally. When we attack someone emotionally, physically, or we play with them mentally, because we're all the same, and we know what hurts others. We all hurt for the same reasons. Thank you and welcome. Thanks so much to all new patrons. And Anthony Leatherbarrow, thanks so much for the generous contributions. For whatever the reason you'd like to send me something, here is my mailing address.
This is Houston. Say again, please.